Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 8 maths and our chapter is mensuration. In this chapter, we learn how to measure the area and perimeter of the any shape. Okay, so yesterday we learned about trapezium, about quadrilateral and about rhombus and any polygon. How to measure area of any polygon, how to measure area of any rhombus, how to measure area of any quadrilateral. Okay, so yesterday we learned the area of trapezium is height into sum of parallel side upon 2. Okay, what is the area of trapezium? Height into sum of parallel sides upon 2, or you can write it h into b plus a upon 2, where b and a are the height of the sum of parallel sides. Okay, understand? And then we learn about area of general quadrilateral. What is area of general quadrilateral? Area of general quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 d into h1 plus h2. Okay, where d denote the length of the diagonal and h1 and h2 are the perpendicular drawn from the vertices to the diagonal. Okay, understand? So these are the area of quadrilateral. Now area of a special quadrilateral, that is rhombus. What about area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 d1 into d2, means product of the diagonals. Okay, understand? So this is the area of rhombus. And when we want to find area of any polygon, so we have to divide, we split a quadrilaterals into triangle or rectangles. Okay, जो भी आपको polygon दिया हुआ है आपको उसको क्या करना है, split कर लेना है rectangles में, triangles में, जिस जो भी easily shape which you have know what is the area of that figure. Okay, so you can easily find the area of any polygon. Okay, understand? Yesterday I will told you example number 1, 2 and 3 you have to complete. I hope you are completed example number 1, 2 and 3. Now we have completed exercise 11.2 question number 1. Okay, understand? So what is question number 1? Question number 1 is the shape of the top surface of table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Okay, so parallel sides दी हुई हैं. Okay, and what is the shape of the table? top का जो shape है वो क्या दिया हुआ है? Trapezium. Okay, and we know what is parallel sides, and we also know what is the distance between them. Okay, so what we can do, see here 11.2 question number 1. What we can do here, see 1 meter, two parallel sides हमें दी हुई हैं. Okay, area of trapezium, we know that what is area of trapezium is equal to area of trapezium, because टेबल टॉप कौन से शेप में है? ट्रेपेजियम के शेप में है. एंड वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 इंटू हाइट इंटू sum of parallel sides. Okay, b1 plus b2 and 1 by 2. What is the sides? 0.8 meter. Okay, and b1 क्या है आपका यहाँ पर 1 meter and b2 you can take it 1.2 meter. Okay, understand? So you can add them 1 and 1 meter plus 1.2 meter. Okay, b1 is equal to 1 meter, b2 is equal to 1.2 meter. Okay, so you can write it 1 by 2 into h. H is 0.8 into b1 plus b2 means 1 plus 1.2. Okay, so solve it. That is 2.2. Okay, so this become 2.2. डेसिमल अगर हमने लगाया इनको लाइक डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. 0 plus 2 is 2 and 2.2 is our answer. Okay, now 1 by 2
और ये आ जाएगा 0.4। अब नंबर बचा आपके
Now
पास
you can multiply
0.4
0.4
into
and 2.2.
2.2। तो सिंपल
Okay,
22 दिख रहा है
2.2
और 4
into
दिख रहा
4.
है। इनका
So
प्रोडक्ट
first we
करेंगे तो ये
multiply
आएगा
88 is our answer. Now how
अब
many
क्योंकि यहाँ
decimal are here?
डेसिमल लगे
1
तो
decimal के बाद कितनी
के
place
बाद
हैं?
यहाँ पर
1 here
और
and
यहाँ
1
डेसिमल के
here.
बाद
So there are two
यानी
places.
टोटल नंबर कितने हैं
Okay,
डेसिमल
so
के
you
बाद?
can
दो। तो हम
count
अपने
it.
आंसर में भी दो नंबर
कहाँ से
छोड़
काउंट
देंगे
करेंगे
जिससे
आप? अपने
डेसिमल
राइट साइड से. सो 1 2 काउंट करके आपको डेसिमल पुट कर देना है. 0.88 इज योर आंसर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? So now question number 2. What about question number 2? In this chapter, question number 2 is the area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter. Okay, and its height is 4 centimeter. Okay, height हमें दी हुई है, area दिया हुआ है. B1 is given 10 centimeter, area is also given 34 centimeter square, and the height is given. Height, what is the height? Find the length. Height is 4 centimeter. Okay, height is 4 centimeter. Okay, find the length of the other parallel side. So we have to find B2. We don't know what is B2. Okay, so we find B2. Okay, understand? This is 4 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and area, overall area of trapezium is given. Okay, so what is area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2. 34 centimeter square is given, and we know that area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 h into b1 plus b2 is equal to 34. Okay, then h is given, so put the value in the formula 4, and b1 is given 10 centimeter. This is given, and we have to find b2. So b1 is 10 centimeter plus b2 is not find, so we can write b2 as it is equal to 34. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so we can get 2 into 10 plus b2 is equal to 34. So when we multiply 2 into 10, that is we can get 20, और वी कैन राइट इट 2 डिवीजन में ले जाएंगे. 10 प्लस b2 इज इक्वल टू 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. Okay, now b2 is equal to 17 minus 10. Okay, 10 here with plus sign, so we can transfer it, so we can get minus 10. Okay, so b2 is equal to 7. Okay, so this way we can find b2. Okay, b2 is 7. So b2 is 7 centimeter. Okay, understand? So answer is 7 centimeter. Now let's see question number 3. Length of fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter, AD is equal to 40 meter, then find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. Okay, so fencing कितना करना है? 120 मीटर. Okay, so area of length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120. Means what is given? Parameter is given. If BC is given, then CD is given, AD is also given. Okay, and find the area of the field. So we have to find the area of this field. Side AB जो है वो perpendicular है, means 90 degree है. Okay, so AD and BC. Okay, understand? So let's find H. Height हमें find करना है. Okay, so we know what we know. We know parameter. Okay, and we know area of field is equal to, this is the trapezium. Okay, so area of this field is 1 by 2 into H into B1 plus B2. Okay, so first we find H. Okay, 40 and 48 we know. Okay, so we have to find H from here. B1 is equal to 40 meter and B2 is equal to 48 meter. Okay, and height we have to find. Okay, now we know perimeter is 120. Okay, so first we find the, हम दो वे से फाइंड कर सकते हैं, हमें H फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड AB इज इक्वल टू 120 माइनस, ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे 40, सबको माइनस कर दीजिए या आप ब्रैकेट में लिख दीजिए. सो यू कैन गेट 105. okay, and what we can get, that is 15 meter. Okay, so AB is equal to 15 meter. Okay, now you can easily find the area of the field, means area of trapezium into 15 into 40 plus 48. Okay, into 40 plus 48, that is 88. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and 2 fours are 8. Okay, so 15 into 44, so you can get, multiply it, so you can get 660. Okay, so area of field is 660 meter square. So what about our fourth question? The diagonal of quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Okay, so हमें क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, perpendicular का वो दिया हुआ है, diagonal is given. Okay, so we know that what is area of quadrilateral. Okay, so area of quadrilateral is, this is the figure. Okay, 13 meter, this is perpendicular, so this become 90-degree angle. Okay, understand? Now area of quadrilateral, we can write it, field is 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2. Okay, and here हमें we can, it's given D is 24 meter. Okay, so we can write D is equal to 24 meter. H1 is 13 meter. From vertices, the first perpendicular is 13 meter, so we can write H1 is equal to 13 meter and H2 is also given, that is 8 meter. Okay, so write it in the formula, 1 by 2 into D is 24 meter into 13 plus 8. Okay, so you can get 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So you can get 12 into 13 plus 8. What you can get? 21. Now 12 into 21. Then you can get 252. Okay, so your answer is 252. Area है, that means meter square. Okay, understand? Now see question number 5th. The diagonal of rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, so rhombus है, rhombus के diagonal is given. Okay, rhombus, what is the property of rhombus? All the sides are equal in the rhombus. Okay, and the diagonals is given, that is 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Okay, understand? two diagonals are given, so we have to find the area of these rhombus. So we know that area of field or area of rhombus is, what is the area of rhombus? 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. Okay, so you can find 1 by 2 into 7.5, d1 is equal to 7.5 centimeter and d2 is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so write it 7.5 centimeter into 12 centimeter. Okay, and cut it down. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 7.5 into 6, multiply it, 7.5 into 6. So what you can get? 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3 45. Okay, so you can get 450 and decimal from 1.4 from the right side. Okay, so 45 is your answer. Okay, 45 centimeter square. Now let's read question number 6. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. Here diagonal is not given, only side is given. Okay, so if one of the diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. Okay, so find the area. We have to find the area of this diagonal, and it's given d1. d1 is given 8 centimeter and it's given again we have to find d2. Okay, so first of all this is 8 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find second one. Okay, now area of rhombus, we know that area of rhombus is equal to side into altitude. Side is given and altitude is also given. Okay, so we have to find side, that is 5 into 4.8. So we can get 24 centimeter square. Okay, now we have to find d2. So we know that area of rhombus is d1 1 by 2 d1 into d2, and area of rhombus is side into altitude also. Okay, so we have equal them. Okay, so 24 we know what is area of rhombus is 24 centimeter square. So 24 के equal हम रखेंगे d1 into d2. So 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, so 1 by 2 d1 is given. What is d1? 8 centimeter into d2. We have to find d2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So d4 into d2 is equal to 24. So what we can get? To d2 is equal to 24 upon 4. 4 1 are 4, 4 6 are 24. So 24 6 centimeter square is your answer. Okay, length of the diagonal is, other diagonal is 6 centimeter. Okay, now let's see question number 7. The floor of building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shape, and each of its diagonal are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is ₹4. ओके, पर मीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट क्या है फ्लोर का पॉलिशिंग करने का? ₹4. ओके, एंड डायगोनल इज गिवन आर 45 सेंटीमीटर एंड 30 सेंटीमीटर. एंड व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग? द शेप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इज रोम्बस. ओके, एंड बोथ द डायगोनल आर गिवन 45 सेंटीमीटर एंड 30 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो फ्लोर में हमें कितनी टाइल्स हैं? 3000 टाइल्स हैं. ओके, अगर इस टाइप से कोई फ्लोर है उस पर 3000 टाइल्स हैं विच आर रोम्बस शेप्ड, एंड ईच ऑफ इट्स डायगोनल, हर एक टाइल्स का डायगोनल कितना है, डायगोनल्स इज गिवन. ओके, सो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, फाइंड द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ पॉलिशिंग द फ्लोर इफ द cost per meter square is rupees 4. Okay, so what we can do here we know the area of floor is equal to area of one tile into 3000. ओके, वन टाइल का एरिया इंटू 3000 बिकॉज टाइल्स कितनी लगी है, 3000. ओके, सो एरिया ऑफ टाइल, बिकॉज टाइल इज इन द रोम्बस शेप, सो b1 base is into height, we know that, and second 1/2 d1 into d2. Okay, so d1 and d2 we know that, so we can write it d1 into d2, 1/2 into d1 into d2 into 3000. What is d1? d1 is given 1/2, d1 is 45 and d2 is 30. Okay, into 3000. So 2 से कट करेंगे, 2 1 जा 2 एंड ओके, ₹4 पर मीटर स्क्वायर हमें लग रहा है उसको पॉलिशिंग करने का. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर. ओके, बिकॉज दिस जो हमें डायगोनल दिए हुए सेंटीमीटर में दिए हुए हैं, तो हमें इसे किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, मीटर में. वैसे ही दोनों डायगोनल्स को हम कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. d2 इज इक्वल टू 30 सेंटीमीटर है, so we have complete 30 upon 100. Okay, understand. Cut it down, 0 से 0 कट हो जाएंगे. फोर 0 ऊपर भी दिख रहे हैं, 4 0 नीचे भी दिख रहे हैं. ओके, now we have multiply 45 into 3 into 3, 45 into 9, 9 5 जा 45, 4 कैरी आउट हुआ, 9 4 जा 36 प्लस 4 40, तो 405 अपॉन 2, so we get 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. Okay, 0 then 5, then we can get 202.5. Okay, so our answer is 202.5 meter square. So area of floor we can get 202.5. Okay, this is the area of the floor. Now what is the price per meter square, that is ₹4 per meter square. Okay, cost of polishing is equal to 204 area of floor into rate of polishing. Okay, so 202.5 into 5 into 4. Okay, so when we multiply 202 into 0.5 into 4, so we can get, okay, because both are in meter square, so what we can get, multiplication करेंगे हम 202.5 into 4, 4 5 are 20, 4 2 are 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry out, 4 2 are 8, so we can get 810. What we can get, 810. Okay, rupees 810 is the cost of polishing. Okay, now let's read question number 8. Mohan want to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to the twice the side along the road. Okay, if the area of this field is 10,500 meter square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel side is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Okay, so हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? सी, हमें उसका एरिया भी दिया है फील्ड का. ओके, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज गिवन. ओके, टू साइड्स के बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना है? 100 मीटर. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ अलोंग द रिवर. हमें रिवर की साइड का एरिया फाइंड करना, लेंथ फाइंड करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो फील्ड कैसी है? ट्रेपेजियम शेप में है और एंड द पैरेलल टू द ट्वाइस. ओके, ट्वाइस है मीन्स जो भी साइड रहेगी पैरेलल टू द ट्वाइस द साइड अलोंग द रोड के अलोंग जो साइड है उससे ट्वाइस है नीचे वाली साइड. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू हियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी द डिस्टेंस इज 100 मीटर. ओके, एंड इट्स परपेंडिकुलर and area is given. So area of trapezium, we know that area of trapezium is equal to what is the formula? 1/2. Let the side will be x. First side हम अगर along with road is x. ओके, अगर हम इसे x मीटर मानेंगे तो नीचे वाली क्या है? ट्वाइस है. So we can write it 2x. Then the side along with river is 2x because it's given that is twice. Okay, so it is 2x meter. Okay, now area of trapezium, area of field or area of trapezium is equal to it's given 10,500 meter square, and we know that what is area of trapezium? We know that 1/2 into h b1 plus b2. Okay, h is given 100 meter, b1 we know x, and b2 is 2x. Okay, so let's write 1/2 into h is 100 into b1 is x and b2 is 2x. X plus 2x is equal to 10,500. Okay, so let's solve it. 1/2 x, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, and 50 into x1, x plus 2x, that is 3x, is equal to 10,500. Okay, so 3x is equal to 10,500 upon 50 into 3. 50 into 3, that is 150. ओके, ज़ीरो से ज़ीरो कट कर दीजिए. 5 1 जा 5, we can get 15 1 जा 15, 15 7 जा 105, and we can get 70. ओके, सो x इज इक्वल टू 70. सो हमें क्या मिल गया बच्चों? रोड साइड का तो मिल गया शेप का लेंथ कितना है? x इज इक्वल टू 70 बिकॉज दिस इज रोड साइड. सो 2x इज इक्वल टू 70 इंटू 2, डेट इज 140. देयरफॉर लेंथ ऑफ रिवर साइड along with river side 2 into 70. So you can get 140 meter. Okay, understand? So student, this way you have completed 9, 10 and 11 question. If you have any doubt, tell me on WhatsApp. Have a good day.